Hi, Dominic from Bliz here. I'd like to show you the tracker Ozon. Now the tracker Ozon is developed for normal to larger sized faces and is developed for hiking, but it's also perfect for other casual sports and activities where function and flexibility are in focus. Now I will be going through the technical properties and also showing you how easy it is to change the lenses, the head strap, the jawbone and the rubber parts, and also how to adjust the glasses for the best possible fit while you're active, all in order for you to feel safe, secure and comfortable and focus on your performance.
This model is equipped with Bliz Hydro Lens System, unbreakable XPC polycarbonate lens with 100% UV protection, GRILAMID TR90 material for low weight and flexibility, adjustable temples with rubber wire core, adjustable nose pad in soft friction rubber, first, you'll need to remove the jawbone. Grip the glasses and lenses with one hand. Grip the jawbone with your other hand while simultaneously bending it apart until it pops loose from the 3 attachment points. Turn the glasses over, gripping them with your thumb on the centre of the frame's top edge. Then grip the lens with your other hand and bend it and the frame in opposite directions until it pops free. To attach the new lenses, grip the frame in the same way as before. Start by attaching the lens at the frame's outer corner and bend the frame to allow you to press the lens home at the attachment point nearest the middle of the frame. You'll feel it click into place. Then reattach the jawbone. Start by fastening it in the middle and then at the sides until you feel it click into place. The glasses will fit comfortably once you adjust the nose pad. The easiest way to do that is to use 2 fingers to separate or press the nose pad together. To make sure the glasses sit firmly around your head while you're active, simply bend the wire core arms to the desired width before putting the glasses on.
Thanks very much for watching. Please do follow us on social media and surf into bliz.com to find out more about our unique models and colour range. Take care of yourselves and stay safe.